guys, how are you? Brian here again with another review. Because I hate myself and I'm not spending money. This is 23andMe, their DNA Ancestry Kit. I'm basically gonna spit and figure out where I belong. Take one tiny step, Anastasia, to get it. Awesome. Cute packaging, 3 little steps on the back. It says register, spit, and discover. Literally sounds like my Saturday night. So we're gonna go online and register my saliva collection tube using the barcode because you can't process it without it. Great.
All right, so let's get started. Register your kit. Register your freaking kit. You don't have to tell me.
No food or drink for 30 minutes. I was supposed to do this with a big group of friends, but we were drinking lots of wine and didn't want like my result to come back like, you're an alcoholic. That I already knew.
Now they have one of those security like captchas, and I can never read them. So I'm just gonna take this little guy out with my tube. It looks like I'm getting an STD test. Know your status. Got the captcha wrong. I'm gonna open my kit. I don't have gloves on, so I hope this is okay. Look at it. How cool. I'm gonna enter my barcode.
So also I received the Ancestry Kit, not the one that tells me like what cancers I have, because I have WebMD for that, you know?
That is a lot of spit. Okay, it's been registered. So no food or drink. Spit to fill the line. Close the funnel lid. Unscrew the cap. Seal the bag and ship.
I need a glass of wine. That's what I need.
I want you to watch me spit. The directions are so simple that it's kind of making me nervous. I ran out of saliva like 7 spits ago. Oh, look at it. So all this random water shit pours down in there. This little guy comes right off. Comes with a cute little cap. Screw her on. Send your little STD sample kit off.
Bio specimen bag. Look at me. Look at this biohazard. What are you trying to say?
Shake for 5 seconds. Place into here. Do not remove that little piece of stuff. Take that little guy off. Place her inside. Seal that. Yeah. Just mail her off.
There you go. I'm excited to see where I come from. Garbage. Great, thank you guys for tuning in. I'm gonna make another video when I get my raison to a mailbox. Great.
There's a lot of spitting, so good luck.